Now if I want to all the lines to be straight line, I'll click on this keep lines and I'll drag here. So now what it is doing is creating a straight line. So here it doesn't, once you apply an effect, I guess it doesn't give a straight line. Here also you can select any of the option here, then you can change. It all depends on the kind of object you're drawing or the shape you're giving. So as you get to know the exact, as you keep practicing and get to know the use of individual tool, you can mix up all these tools with each other and create a perfect shape or whatever, or you can trace an image through this tool or create a new drawing or sceneries or create a human face in that way. So you have to practice these tools to understand what the tool does on an object. Then you can, once you get to know the exact use and the exact use of every individual tool and tool options, you can mix both the tool and create a shape. So this is roughly I've shown I've drawn an object here and shown you how to mix these 2 to 3 different tools with each other. Okay, this is original. If you click and if you drag, it creates a original kind of shape. Same way putty, if you, so this is the mixture of object with each other. And suppose you can copy envelope properties, like suppose if I draw an object here with some color, if I take this, if I draw an object here and see, I'll draw a new object here. I want all the envelope properties. Envelope properties means envelope properties what we have given, this shape what we have been applying for this particular object to be applicable on this particular, on this, and the second object. What I need to do is I'll go to this, draw an object here, go to this envelope tool here. Again there is an option here, see this one, copy envelope properties. I'll click on this and it will ask from object envelope properties you want to copy. This is the object and we have given envelope, you can say envelope properties here. So envelope, all the envelope shapes what we have given to this particular object is called properties. If I click on this, it will apply those effects. It's showing something else because we have given numerous different effects on this particular object. The shape when drawn was different than the shape what I have drawn here. Okay, so to make you easier to understand, what I'll do is I'll draw 2 shape which is of the same look. See, now to duplicate a shape, to duplicate an object, what you need to, there is a simple tool here. You need to click this object, drag it wherever you want to, and click the mouse right button without leaving the mouse left button. You click on your mouse right button, it will create a duplicate object. Okay, now I will create a shape here. Okay, these are the 2-3 different shape properties I have given. I'll untick this because this was stick to straight line. So I'll untick this so that it creates a shape. Okay, now what I'll do is again I'll select the other object, go to this envelope tool, copy tool properties, select here. See, now it has created a shape. It has applied all the shape properties of this particular object. Shape properties means this the envelope shape properties it has applied to this the other object. So now it has given this way you can create a duplicate copy of this shape, okay, to another object. The simpler way is to draw an object, give shape to it, then drag it and duplicate it. That's the other way. Okay, in envelope that's how you duplicate. Suppose if I want to remove all the shape property, the envelope properties from this object, I simply go to the last one. This is clear envelope. It comes to its original shape. This is to give the envelope shape, means the envelope effect on this object. Okay, see, it creates only the dotted line of this particular shape. This envelope shape, it gives to only the dotted line kind of envelope effect to the another object through this tool, create envelope from. Okay, if I click this and click on this, it will give that dotted line shape to this object. Okay, now once you have given the shape, suppose if I given a shape here, now if I move this, it will move as per the chosen option here. These are the chosen options, it will move accordingly. Now I do not want this, I want to move, if I move this node, I want to move it as per the node how I move it. Okay, to do that, what I have to do is, once I have created a shape, now further I want to give a different kind of shape, but not through envelope. I want the nodes to move as per my movement, like as per the nodes I move, the shape has to move accordingly. So for that, what you need to do is, in envelope you will find another tool here, which I told you that I'll show you later on. Now this is where this particular convert to curves works. If I click on convert to curves, this object has been converted to curves. Now I can change the shape here through the shape tool. I can change it however I want to. See, if I move the nodes move according to the movement of nodes. Okay, the shape moves according to the movement of nodes. See, these are the nodes, and those moves along with the shape. This is the shape, and the nodes, as I move, it moves along the nodes. The shape moves along with the nodes. In envelope, it wasn't like that. It used to move as per these effects, as per these tool options. After I convert this object to curves, I can move it as per my requirement. And the second thing is, after converting to curves, these are the other options. Suppose if I want this to be straight line. Now you see there is a slight circle shape here. Want this to be straight line. Here are the other options. I'll click convert to lines. See, now it has become a straight line from one side. If I want other line also to be straight, I'll select this second node and click on this select straight line, it becomes a straight line. Again, if I want this to be circled, click here and I'll go to this other smooth node, then it will create in the same way. If I can move this through this dotted line. The dotted line, when you see, through this I can give a different shape to that. Okay, this is how you can operate the shape. Okay, this in detail we will learn in another chapter. At present, roughly shown you how to give a shape. In other chapter, we will see how the nodes works. These are the nodes and these are the controller of those nodes. How this work, we will see in another chapter.